Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now. Friends, in this video we are talking about the DENT coin. What's the prices goes in a DENT coin, what's the next move of DENT coin, and what's the crash occur in a DENT coin. As you know, yesterday all the cryptocurrencies fast down. A very bad crash occurred in the cryptocurrencies market, friends. So in this video we are also talking about the DENT crash, friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates, friends. Now let's see the price of the DENT coin. As you can see here, the current price of DENT coin is about 0.008437 USD dollar is the current price. And if we look the change occurred in the DENT coin, so the change last 24 change is positive, last 1 day change is positive, and last 1 week change is very bad, friends. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the DENT coin, and let's talk about the market crash of DENT coin, friends. So as you can see here, the market crash occurred in this period, friends. As you can see here, friends, a very badly market crash occurred, only and only fast down occurred. But here is surprise for all DENT coin holders. As you can see here, after a market crash they again take a jump, and the one talk is that the day goes very highly, they goes like a rocket. That is why the change become very highly positive. It's positive 8.75% change occur positive in the last 1 day, friends, and the high price of the DENT coin in the last 1 day is about 0.08568 USD dollar. Is the highest price of DENT coin, friends. And as you can see here, the current price of DENT coin, so the current price they can recover in the previous price. As you can see here, here is 85 and here is 84. So very low price change occur in a DENT coin, friends. So now if we look at what's the next move of DENT coin, so it is clear for us that as you can see here, at this time they are also in the jumping mood. So now it's just the beginning of the new jump, a big pump, a big jump of the DENT coin are coming soon. When the big jump up coming soon? And the last half this month, friends. If you want to make money in the cryptocurrencies market, so remember that in the last half the month every cryptocurrencies have a good amount of profit, friends. So if you are a holder, so please don't sell it this time, wait for the last half this month, friends. So what's your opinion about DENT coin? My opinion is that they goes upward in the future, friends. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.